What's up, you guys? It's Chris here. So today I want to share with you some ways on how you can get started with affiliate marketing. Now, before I got started with my online business, all I wanted to really do was make just enough money to allow my wife to stay home with our newborn son, Benji. But with the information overload that exists on YouTube, I was completely brand new and had no clue where to begin. And if I didn't figure out something fast, my son would have to grow up in daycare as an infant. I've heard too many horror stories about that to even allow that to happen. But that all changed when I stumbled upon the affiliate marketing business model. By following a few simple tips, I was able to replace not only my wife's income, but mine as well. So if you implement these same tips that I'm about to teach you, you will cut your learning curve in half, reach whatever goals you are trying to achieve, and change your life. So sit down, take some notes, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And with that said, let's get into the 10 ways that you can start affiliate marketing and make some money as soon as possible. So tip number one is to select a topic and stick to it. Now, a problem that most of my students run into when getting started is they have a lack of focus. They want to make content about everything, but that is the quickest way to make no money, get frustrated, and just quit. So you need to have focus or follow one course until success. So my top advice is to choose a topic or a niche. A niche is just a group of people that is interested in something. In fact, you are watching this video because you are interested in affiliate marketing or starting an online business. That is what a niche is. But a niche can really be about anything. It can be about sewing or golf or drones or mom life or whatever it is that you're interested in. Now, it's important to be specific because when you think of Pat Flynn, you think about blogging or podcasting. When you think about Michael Jordan, you think about basketball. You don't ask these guys for advice about anything else other than what they specialize in. So regardless of what you choose, you need to stick to it for as long as you possibly can and become known as the person that teaches other people about that particular topic. So when people need information or want information about your niche, they will seek out your content. Always remember that if you try to talk to everybody, you end up talking to nobody. So now that you have chosen a topic, you need to find a product that people would normally buy going into that interest. And when you are first getting started, it is wise to focus on a single product so that you can focus all of your efforts around it. So for example, if you go into the pets niche, find a specific thing about pets that you really do enjoy. An example could be like dog training. Now go out and find a dog training course that you like or tools that you can use to effectively train your dog. Now go to the manufacturers of those products and apply to become an affiliate. They will give you an affiliate tracking link and you are ready to start earning a commission. So now that we have our links, we need to find people interested in our topic. The fastest way to do this is to collaborate with other influencers that already have the audience that you want to talk to. But you cannot just send an email begging to collab with the top influencers in your niche. You need to find a way to add value to their audiences. So back to our dog training example. Find established influencers that talk about pets, but do not specifically cover dog training, and offer to add some great value in the topic for their audience. When pitching to influencers, don't just say, "Hi, let's collab so I can make some money." No one's going to respond to that. So use this template. "Hi, influencer. I love your channel or your blog. I've particularly enjoyed," and insert specific content you enjoyed here. "That information was really helpful for me because," and insert the benefit. "I noticed that in a lot of your content, I did not see much about dog training. I have been training dogs for a long time now and think that I could offer some great tips to your audience. I would love to do a collaboration with you if you are interested. Either way, keep up the great content and look forward to seeing more." If you use something like that with enough influencers in the space, you should be able to get a handful to work with you and get your business started fast. Another way to get some traffic to your affiliate offers is to start a free Facebook group. Facebook groups are 100% free to start, so begin one right now and just start telling people about it. You can start with just telling people on your friends list, but you can also go to message boards, Quora, Pinterest, basically anywhere your potential audience likes to hang out online. Offer some type of free training or a guide that you can use to entice them to come join the group. This way, you can post in the group and get some instant traffic to your affiliate offers. And the greatest thing about groups is after you get enough people in it, it starts to kind of police themselves. People naturally enjoy helping others, especially if they already know the answers. But always remember, you are the reason that they join the group in the first place. So be sure to be active in the group and offer pure value. Doing this will help people learn to trust you, and from that, they will start to buy things from you. My favorite way to get traffic to my affiliate offers is to start a blog. One of the most consistent ways to earn money with your new affiliate marketing business is to get targeted traffic from Google. You write articles and you get them to rank. It's just that simple. The more content you create, the more traffic that you will get. The more traffic that you get, the more money that you will make. So find a good name for your website, buy some hosting, and get to writing. Find some search terms that people use often in your niche and write those articles. Back to our dog training example, go to Google and type in something like how to train a dog to lay down without using treats. Since you already enjoy the subject so much, do some research and write a very well-written article about the subject. Wait a few weeks or months and it will start to rank in Google. In fact, if you want some real step-by-step training on how to build a blog on any topic that you want, be sure to check out benjisdad.com. That's benjisdad.com. There I have a free video series where you can watch and I show you exactly step-by-step how to start a blog, get affiliate links, and get traffic to your offers so that you can start making money ASAP. So be sure to go check it out, benjisdad.com. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description. Now, there are some niches that are easier to show your audience something rather than write about it, and that is where starting a YouTube channel comes into play. YouTube is a great source to get people to click on your affiliate links because the competition is not very big, and they have over 2 billion active users per month on YouTube. It's also the second largest search engine on the planet. So you need to create videos helping people. And the coolest part about this is that you are teaching people stuff that you already know how to do. So when the camera is rolling, you just show people what you already know. And don't worry, the production value of these videos do not have to be, insane or movie-like quality. Most people like to just watch someone who is just like them trying to complete a task in their hobby. You also don't need expensive camera equipment in order to put your videos onto YouTube. You can use your smartphone and just get started. Some of the best videos on YouTube are those that were created on the fly, just trying to teach something to someone. And you can get in on all of this targeted audience traffic by just creating content. A natural barrier that exists with YouTube is that a lot of people do not want to make videos. So if you can get over that barrier of making videos, you can really dominate your market. Another resource that is almost as powerful as YouTube is Instagram. Entire businesses and companies make multiple six figures a year just from posting on their Instagram pages. And the reason for this is because there is such a large number of people that is on Instagram. They consistently get just over 1 billion active users a month. So once you provide value and become a helpful resource to people on Instagram, you can then provide them your Linktree. Now, Linktree is a free service that will allow you to place links to any place that you want on a web page. You will direct people from your Instagram to click on the links in your bio that will lead them to your Linktree. So as you post videos and pictures and hashtags, they will find your affiliate links, click on them, and hopefully buy something. And that way you can get the commission on those purchases. So after you have created your blog or your YouTube channel or your Facebook group or whatever it is now very important to get people in a place where you can contact them regularly. One of the most effective ways to do this is to get their email address. So I recommend building a list as soon as possible. Now, you never know with the different traffic sources that we have been talking about so far that they can change anything at the drop of a hat without even letting you know. Their algorithms can really change at any moment. And then all of a sudden, the reach that you had to your audience shrinks. However, if you are able to get your audience's email addresses, you can then send them emails regularly, providing value and helping them learn more about their particular interests. It is basically traffic on demand for anything that you want. But also be careful not to become across as spammy. You do this by providing value and actually wanting to help people. Then as a result, people will learn to trust you and buy from you. So have some integrity and treat your audience with respect. Don't see them as email addresses or dollar signs. treat them as people. My favorite email program to use is ActiveCampaign, so be sure to go check them out. I'll put a link down in the description where you can get a free trial. I am an affiliate of ActiveCampaign, so if you do decide to purchase it, I will get a commission, but it is at no additional cost to you. It's just another way to support the channel. Another way is to go live on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. Now, we talked about this a little bit before, but the best way to get people to click on your affiliate links is to get them to trust you. You can build that trust directly by connecting with your audience the best way that you possibly can by going live with them. The trick here is to never go live without a reason or a purpose. Have an idea of what it is you want to talk about, and even maybe a rough outline about what you want to discuss. But most importantly, do not ignore people. Welcome people in as they come into your live and invite them to engage. So ask questions, see where they're from, answer questions, say people's names, and really connect with people. By starting your online business and really putting yourself out there, people will naturally think that we are just too busy to talk to them. So going live helps to kind of bridge that gap so that you can really talk and connect with an audience. That is very, very underrated, and not a lot of people use it. So go ahead and use it right now. You will automatically have an advantage over those that are not doing it. After you have exhausted all of the ways that we've talked about so far, you can also use paid advertising. Now, I do not recommend paid advertising for new people, as you need to have a decent budget in order to test effectively. But once you have mastered the art of paid advertising, you can really make money on demand at any point. One of the biggest drawbacks to using some of the methods that we talked about before is that it takes time and a lot of effort. It takes time to build a YouTube channel. It takes time to build a blog and build a following on Instagram, whatever it happens to be. But with paid advertising, I can set something up right now and have sales by the end of the day. And that is extremely powerful. But it is one thing to create content that draws people who are interested versus another thing going out to people who don't even know that you exist or even know that they want your product at the time and trying to convert them into customers. Going into paid advertising is a whole nother way of trying to get people to click your links. But there are plenty of people who do it and understand the concept to the T and are making very good money with it. My recommendation for paid advertising is to get a budget of how much money you really want to spend. Set up a funnel and start getting traffic using Google or Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever paid source you want to use. Pay close attention to your ROI or your return on investment. And if you are getting positive results, then you're off to the races. Now, it is important to realize that just getting traffic from these sources alone will not make you money. You have to set up a process that converts these hot leads into customers. And to do that, you need to set up a sales funnel. Now, if you'd like a video on how to build an effective sales funnel for your business, just drop me a line in the comments and I can see if there's any interest for doing a video like that. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have made it this far into the video and you haven't already, please be sure to smash the like button as well as subscribe. We post new videos every Mondays and Thursdays. Also, tick the bell notification icon as well so that you do not miss any future updates. Also, follow me on Instagram. We post there pretty much daily and would love to connect with you there as well. Be sure to stay tuned for the bloopers, and I will catch you all later. Offer some type of free training or a guide. I need to stop doing that. One of the most consistent ways to earn money with your new affiliate marketing business. So have some integrity and integrity. So